Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Centr strength and fitness app subscription. Okay, so there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your subscription on Play Store, then you need to follow this step. Okay, first of all you need to open your Play Store and then you need to select your payments and subscription option. And once you tap on your profile icon, there are options. You need to select payment and subscription, and now you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your app like Centr app. Okay, Centr strength and fitness app. And once you select your app, you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. And if you have taken your Centr fitness app subscription by using their Apple Store, or you can like App Store, you need to open your iPhone settings and then you need to select Apple ID, and then you need to select your subscription option. Then you need to select your app like Centr app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so this is the method. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.